Okay, so let's continue with lessons. Let's not spend too much time talking. You know that sometimes I can talk non-stop one. All right, so it's better to move into the lesson first. All right, so later we will have a little bit of Kahoot practice. All right, so Kahoot practice will involve a little bit of the Sec 1 and Sec 2 work. All right, just to let you know, your Sec 1 work will be tested in your exam also. So it's better to prepare you a little bit. All right, get you familiarized. Can? All right, so now we'll start off with our homework. All right, last week's homework. Okay, let's go. Sure, I never do my last week homework. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Some of you are new down here. We are actually doing something called direct and inverse proportion. All right. So this question is a little bit challenging. All right. This question is a little bit challenging. All right. If you can understand, right, let me tell you this. If you can understand this question and the next, right, using my method. All right, I got a few methods, lah. Right, if you use my method and attempt this type of question, I tell you it will be easy. Trust me, trust me. Are you ready? All right, come. So usually for this type of question, we call this direct and inverse proportion. Some of the schools has already done it. All right, some of the school haven't, but it's okay. Let me just cover it because different schools are doing different topic, huh? We have to try to cover as much as possible. Come, let's go. The question say that B is directly proportionate to A squared. Children, remember what I said last week? All right. This is an English statement. You have to translate to what? Translate it to mathematics. All right, we have another student coming in, Rumi. All right, let's wait for Rumi. Okay. So as I was saying, right, this is an English statement. B is directly, B is directly proportionate to A squared. Children, what do? You have to translate the English to mathematics. Translate the English to mathematics. Check this out. B is just a B. When you see the word proportional, right? When you see this word proportional, can you please draw a symbol, which is the fish? So I call this the fish. All right. So this is called the fish. Right. Hey, but in actual fact, it's not called a fish. All right. So usually, when I draw a fish to my son, it will look something like that. It's a fish, right? You don't like my drawing. Hello, Rumi. Hi, welcome to the Sec 2 class. If your camera is working, can you please turn it on? Right, the rest of them, the camera is not working. That's the reason why, their camera is off. All right. And Rumi, can you give me a thumbs up if you are there? Oh, very good. I saw your thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. So once again, right, hey, children, English, we translate to mathematics. So B is directly proportionate to A squared. So B, you wrote the B down here. When you see the word proportionate, you draw the fish. And A squared, you just write as A squared down here. Is that okay? All right, another student coming in, Joycelyn is here. All right, so this is the translation from English to mathematics. Okay, children, what do you do with the fish? What do you do with the fish? Last week I did say, the fish, you cannot do anything. So what do? You exchange the fish for equal to K. And children, trust me, the steps are so the same. The steps are so the same. All right, you must always find what first? Must find K first. This type of question, right? Please, must find K first. That is your clue. All right. Hey, Jocelyn, are you there? Can you give me a thumbs up also? Oh, no. Jocelyn, go toilet lah. Okay, I saw the thumbs up. Thanks. Thanks. All right. So moving forward, right? As you can see, the B, we'll write the B down. The fish, we exchange for equal to K. And the A squared, we write as A squared down here. Is that okay? So usually this type of question, they will give you a pair of information. They will say that A is 2, B is 4, something like that. But this question is difficult. All right, this question is the part 2 of direct and inverse. All right, what did the question say? When A has a certain value, B is 4. Sure. What is the meaning of a certain value? Ayo, you are right. I also don't know. All right. So can I ask you? All right, Adia. All right, give me your favorite number. Can you please make it small? Adia, can you please key into the chat Give me your favorite number, or you can speak up.
7.
Okay, so Adiyat say 7. Me and Adiyat, we are not friends yet. All right, so we never at the background say that, okay, please say 7. No, we never say that. All right, so Adiyat say 7. All right, so he says 7. So we say let A be equal to 7. Because down here they say it's a certain number, but I don't know. All right, but I asked Adiyat. Adiyat say what? A as 7. Okay, so let A as 7, and the question did say that B is 4. All right, what do I do? Okay, with these two information, I substitute into my equation. Are you ready? All right, so when B is 4, 4 is equal to K. And Adiyat says 7 square. All right, remember my objective? My objective is always to find K first. Trust me, children, trust me, this method works and it will always work. All right, so 7 times 7, please, is not 14. 7 times 7, if you don't know, press your calculator. It is 49. K. 4 is here, equal is here. Remember, as I say my third time, your objective is to find K first. All right, so naggy, I know. So down here is a K. In between of the 49 and K is a times. So what do you do? Times 49 you bring across will give you a divide by 49. All right, this is normal solving, Sec 1 solving. So once you get the K, what do? Always put your K back into your equation. All right, and you successfully find the value of K already. Thank you. All right, so next step, what do? Come. You can write out the equation again. So what is the equation? The equation now with K is B is equal to K. What is K? K is 4 over 49 A squared. A squared. This is the equation connecting B and A. Okay? So now you go on to the second part of the question. What did the question ask? Find the value of B when A is doubled. Oh, find the value of B when A is doubled. So just now, right, Adiyat say what? Just now Adiyat say A is 7. So now when A is doubled, means what? What is A now? Can somebody tell me in the chat, please? When A is doubled, means A is now what? Tell me. What's the meaning of doubled? In the chat, can somebody tell me? Jocelyn, I go in toilet. I ask a question, you go toilet. Ayo. My goodness. Hey, can you please type in the chat? What's the meaning of when A is doubled? Doubled means what? Just now Adiyat says 7. Now doubled means what? Can somebody please tell me? Very easy. Doubled means what? Thank you, Lavon. Woo! 7 times 2. Right? Because initially, right, A is 7. Right? Adiyat says 7. So doubled means times 2. So now A is 14. Can you see it? Doubled means times 2. So now when your A is 14, what happened? You substitute back into your equation. So B is equal to 4 over 49. A, what is A? A is doubled, which is 14 squared. All right, can somebody please take out your calculator and press the answer for me? 4 over 49, open bracket 14, close bracket square. And what's your answer? B is what? Can somebody press your calculator? Oh my goodness. 16. Oh, the somebody is only Lavion, is it? Lavon. Hey, the rest, why no calculator? Hey, no calculator, don't come for math lesson, leh. Hey, please, children, you must have your calculator. Look, right, I have 2 calculators. Recently, I went to buy the Sharp calculator. Why? Because I want to teach some of you. I want to teach all of you how to use your calculator. All right, because that time I was complaining that I don't have the Sharp calculator. All right, then some of the students didn't benefit from my calculators training. All right, so now I went to buy a Sharp calculator and I have a Casio calculator. All right, so now I can teach you better. All right, so children, I already do my part. I do my part in getting a calculator, which I don't need. So can you please do your part? Have your calculator beside you. Come on. All right, at least have your calculator beside you. Come on, it's a math class. All right, and children, do you know that the answer is 16? Do you know the answer is 16? That's it. Really, that's it. And this is supposed to be the kind of the hardest question in direct and inverse. What? Yes. All right, so Bern make it simple. Oh, my name is Bern, just to let you know. All right, hey, any one of you want to challenge Adiyat? How come Adiyat can use the A as 7? Anyone want to give another number? Sherman. Can you give me another number? Sherman, choose a number, your favorite number, but not too big, can? Sherman? 69, my goodness. Oh, this guy. Okay, so Sherman chose the number 69. Oh, too big a number. All right, but never mind. Just to prove to you that the answer will eventually be 16, I will prove to you, even though it's such a big number. Come. So once again, right, you read the question. B is what? Proportionate, draw the fish. A square. Exchange the proportionate for equal to K. I'm doing the exact step, children. I'm doing the exact step. I'm doing the same thing. Let what? All right, Sherman say let A equal to 69. And B, the question already say is 4, right? This one is Sherman say one. All right, so what happened? You substitute. So 4 is equal to K, 69 square. So now do you know why I wanted a smaller number? Because 69 square is such a huge number, thanks to Sherman. 4761K. In between the 4761 and the K is a multiplication. Your objective is always to find the K first. I told you that. Is equal to times 4761 you bring across is a divide by 4761. Your 4 is still here. So your objective to find your K, done. Thank you so much. Now what you do? Put the K back into your equation. So B is equal to 4 over 4761 A square. All right, I'm just putting back into the equation. So now the question says, find the value of B when A is doubled. Oh. What's the meaning of A is doubled? When A is doubled. Sherman, because you chose this number, right? Can you tell me what is the value of A when it is doubled? Doubled means what? Times 2, right? Tell me what is 69 times 2? Because just now you chose 69. So what is 69 times 2, please, Sherman? No calculator. Yeah, who called you choose that? Oh, okay, he got calculator. 138. So now your A is 138. All right, your A is 138. What do? You have to substitute into your A. Your objective is to find B, right? So B will be equal to, the question asks for B. 4 over 4761, 138 square. Can somebody please press your calculator? Tell me the answer for B. Is it 16? Is it 16? Somebody press your calculator. Press your calculator. What's the answer? Ting, ting, ting. Ting. 16, Lavion. You see? Lavon. Sorry, not Lavion. I just changed your name. Lavon. Hey, children, coincidence? You mean I pack up with Sherman? I pack up with Adia? No. Sorry, pack up means I gang up. No, I didn't. I just asked randomly Adia for a number. I just asked randomly Sherman for a number. And guess what? We get the same answer, 16, regardless of what number. So is this method good? Of course not. All right, this is Burns method. All right. So children, please understand that every topic, right, there's some easy way of doing things. So let's use the easy way to get some marks. Understand or not? All right. Many of you are thinking that math is difficult. Why? Because you guys are, using the difficult way to get to the answer. Right. There's the easy way. Let's get the answer mark first. What do you think? You want the answer mark? Oh, do you want the answer marks and you love math? Or you don't want the answer marks and you hate math? All right. So I will choose the what? I will choose the first one, right? The former, right? Understand or not, children? Okay. So this is done. The homework is done. Hey, Che, can we try another question? Why not? All right. As I said, this is the toughest. This is the toughest for direct and inverse proportion. I'm no kidding you. Right, this is like the toughest. Right, so now you can find an easier method to do it. Okay, come. Another question, come. All right, X is inversely. This is an English statement. So what you do? Translate it to a mathematics. Come, let's go. X is an X. Inversely, something wrong. Wait, something wrong. All right. Proportionate means draw the fish. Y cube is the Y cube is down here. But I did told you last week, children, when you see the word inversely, what must you activate? What must you activate, children? You must activate the 1 over. So English, you translate to mathematics. All right. So when you see the word inversely, you put in the 1 over. Understand? Okay. So do you like the fish? No, I don't like the fish. Then do what? Get rid of the fish. How to get rid of the fish? Exchange the fish for equal to K.